Hello students, so we are going to discuss chemistry mains paper of A phase class 11th. So question number 26 से chemistry starts है, we will discuss question number 26. Question number 26 में बोला है total number of lone pairs in N2O. So we will draw the structure of N2O. This is N2O और coordinate bond को polar covalent bond में convert करेंगे. So we can draw like this also. Okay, so you can see number of lone pairs are 4 lone pair. So correct option is 4. Question number 27. PCl5 exists but NCl5 does not because. So see NCl5 do not exist because nitrogen के पास vacant d orbital present नहीं होता है. So we can write nitrogen do not have d orbital. So it cannot expand its valency. That is nitrogen can form maximum of 4 bonds. Okay, so d orbital present नहीं होता नाइट्रोजन के अंदर, so नाइट्रोजन cannot expand its valency, whereas phosphorus के पास d orbital होता है, so it can expand its valency. Phosphorus can form 5 bonds but nitrogen cannot form. So correct option will be 1. Question number 28. The hybridization of atomic orbitals of nitrogen NO2. So we will draw the structure of NO2 plus. This is NO2 plus. Steric number is 2. So hybridization will be Sp. Second one is nitrate ion. This is structure of nitrate ion. Steric number is 3. So hybridization will be Sp2. Third one is ammonium ion. So this is ammonium ion. Steric number is 4. Hybridization will be Sp3. Correct option is 2. Question number 29. Match the following. So we have to find number of lone pair and bond pairs. So we will draw the structure of BH4 1 minus. This is BH4 1 minus. This tetrahedral. Number of LP, we can see number of LP is 0. Number of bond pairs are 4. Second one is ICl2 plus. ICl2 plus is like this. This is ICl2 plus. You can see number of LP is 2. Number of BP is also 2. Next one is ICl2 minus. So ICl2 minus is linear. This is ICl2 minus. Number of LP you can count. Number of LP is 3. Number of BP is 2. Next one is ICl4 minus. This is ICl4 minus. Number of LP again 2. Number of BP is 4. So you can match this. Correct option will be 2. Question number 30. Indicate nature of bonding in CCl4. So CCl4 is tetrahedral. It is covalent molecule. Covalent bond is there between carbon and chlorine. Whereas calcium hydride CaH2 CaH2 का जो स्ट्रक्चर होगा इस तरह से होगा, आयनिक बॉन्ड होगा. कैल्शियम आपका क्या है, मेटल है और मेटल्स आयनिक बॉन्ड फॉर्म करते हैं. सो CaH2 में जो बॉन्ड होगा दैट विल बी, नेचर ऑफ बॉन्ड विल बी आयनिक. So first option is correct. Question number 31. correct CO bond length is carbonate ion. So carbonate ion is like this. It has 3 resonating structures. So what will be the bond order because of resonance? Total number of bonds divided by total number of resonating structure. So it will be 1.33. CO2 में आपका जो CO bond order है, that is pure, it is pure double bond. Carbon monoxide, this is carbon monoxide, bond order is 3. So we have to compare bond length. So we know that bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. That means bond order कार्बोनेट आयन का मिनिमम है तो उसका बॉन्ड लेंथ मैक्सिमम होगा. सो करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ बॉन्ड लेंथ विल बी कार्बोनेट आयन CO2 देन CO का बॉन्ड ऑर्डर मैक्सिमम है तो बॉन्ड लेंथ मिनिमम हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. You have to compare the CN bond length. So again you have to draw the structure first. P is CH3CN. We can see bond order is 3. Q is HNCO. So HNCO is like this. Bond order of CN is 2 and R is CH3CONH2. इसमें आपका रेजोनेंस होगा बिकॉज जो नाइट्रोजन का लोन पेयर इट इज डीलोकलाइज्ड. And because of resonance, what will be the bond order? The bond order of CN will be 1 plus 2 divided by 2. Total number of bonds upon total number of resonating structures. So it will be 1.5. And we know that bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. तो यहाँ पे bond order CN का maximum है P में, तो P का bond length minimum हो जाएगा, right? And R का bond order minimum है, उसका bond length maximum हो जाएगा. So correct option will be RQP. That is third option is correct. RQP. Next one is question number 33. Among the following, which have different molecular geometry but same number of lone pairs. So we will draw the structure XCO3. XCO3 is like this. XCOF4. This is XCOF4. XCO2F2. This is XCO2F2. And last one is XCF6. XCF6 has distorted octahedral geometry because of lone pair. XCF6 में जो lone pair होता है वो one of the faces of octahedron पे होता है, ठीक है, octahedron के one face पे होगा, ठीक है. So because of lone pair it will have distorted octahedral geometry. ओके और हम शेप की बात करें तो शेप भी आपका डिस्टोर्टेड ऑक्टाहेड्रल हो जाएगा, राइट. XCO3 का जो शेप होगा दैट विल बी ट्राइगोनल pyramidal. XCOF4 will have square pyramidal shape and XCO2F2 will have seesaw shape, right. तो आपसे क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था which are the following will have different geometry same number of lone pair. So all have number of lone pair is 1. In all the structure number of lone pair is 1 but the geometry shape is different. So all the options are correct. That means correct option is 4. First, second, third, 4 all the structures are correct. So fourth option is correct. Question number 34. So 3 element A, B, C are given. Oxidation state of A is given +6. Oxidation state of B is given -2. Oxidation state of C is given -1. So what will be the correct formula of compound? सो करेक्ट फॉर्मूला के लिए जो आपका बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है दैट इज टोटल पॉजिटिव चार्ज in all the compound, neutral compound, total positive charge must be equal to total negative charge. That is, compound should be neutral. Compound आपका neutral होना चाहिए. So sum of oxygen state. See, A का oxygen state 6 है. So B and C की हेल्प से -6 चार्ज हमें -6 ऑक्सीजन स्टेट होना चाहिए B and C का टोटल. So AB2 C2 ये आपका करेक्ट फॉर्मूला होगा. ठीक है, वी विल चेक दैट कि सम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन स्टेट शुड बी जीरो. सम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन स्टेट शुड बी जीरो. यहाँ पे देख लेंगे +6 ए का है, बी के 2 एटम्स है इंटू -2 प्लस सी के 2 एटम्स है इंटू -1. सो इट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी जीरो. दैट मीन्स दिस फॉर्मूला इज करेक्ट. सो सम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन स्टेट ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स should be equal to 0. So correct formula is AB2C2. Next is question number 35. For which of the following orbital the probability of finding electron is non-zero along both x and y axis? That means which of the following d orbital, which orbital is along x and y axis? So if we see second option, dx square minus y square. So in dx square minus y square, the lobes are along x axis and y axis. Lobes are along x axis and y axis. That means since lobes are oriented along x and y axis, so it will have non-zero probability of finding electron along x and y axis. So correct option is 2. Second is the correct option. Because lobes के अंदर आपके क्या होंगे, electrons आएंगे, so that will have non-zero probability of finding electron. Question number 36. Which of the following is an exception of octet rule? So see the third option, HCF2. HCF2 का जो स्ट्रक्चर होगा कुछ इस तरह से होगा. अब यहाँ पे अगर हम सेंट्रल एटम की बात करें, so how many total electrons are there to central atom? Total electrons, total number of electrons, total number of electrons is 6 plus 4, that is 10 electron, that is more than 8. So it is exception to octet rule. So correct option will be third one is correct option. It is an exception to octet rule. In CH4 total number of electron will be 4 on the central atom. In PH3 5 plus 3 8. Sorry, in CH4 total number of electron will be 8. In PH3 also 5 plus 3 8. In CO2 also 4 on the central atom and 4 on the side atom. So that will also be 8. So correct option will be 3. Now see question number 37. Question number 37 to 50. This is same question as advanced, okay, and we have already discussed in advanced paper. Advanced paper का मैंने solution बना रखा है. So for question number 37 to 50, refer advanced paper 1 and paper 2 solution, video solution, okay. Already मैंने upload कर दिया YouTube पे. You can see same question थे जो आपके एडवांस में क्वेश्चन आए थे 37 to 50. Same questions are in mains. So refer video solution, already I have uploaded. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.